I had so many remarks of my in-house flip-flops. I have no idea why. They were just starting to get comfy. Or maybe, they got a little bit worn out after 14 years. So yeah. Here you can see me cutting up some wood that has water protection treatment, hence the green color of the wood. So cutting up some wood in perfect measured pieces. That was a joke, of course. I'm everything but perfect in measuring stuff. But the shape is there, and as always kept everything a bit too large to make it fit later. And if I may say so myself, it turned out great. And I mean great with a capital great. It was really awesome. You'll see that in the end of the movies. Keep in mind, measuring a boat is really hard. Nothing is straight or has straight corners. Everything is in circles and nothing is logical. That's the Chinese stuff. My brother is filming me painting and laughing at my Chinese crap, of course. Painting with really bad paint, by the way, as this was branded paint from Levi's and it was really bad for the job. Although it was marketed for kitchen cabinets, so for cabinets that needs wear and tear. I can't believe anyone can be happy with this finish of this paint. Really bad, and I will have to redo it later with 2-component paint for sure. Okay, we're working pretty hard here, at least one of us. This is a brand new sheet because the previous one my brother sucked up. Le moment suprême, and that's in English. How big did we F up? Ja, dat is perfect, jongen. Dat is gewoon perfect. Ja, maar ja. Als je het nodig hebt, dan is het... kom maar niet aan, dat is te ver. Hoe die ver? Ja, dat is doen. Waren ze net in pan lagen of wat? So after the rescue of the boat, the sailboat, this is what you can expect next week. It's in conclusion of this video. We're building the cabinet further, which is awesome. I can tell you that. I use it all the time. So I see you next week in the next week's video. Please subscribe, press the bell button so you have a notification. And thank you for watching. Press the like button. This is the plate that we built last weekend, me and my bro. This was really hard. It took us like 3.5 hours to make that shape. This is my